Hi guys, it's me. We're starting the 15th annual Anatomy of Sound workshop, and here I am in Walgreens Trauma Center. And we're now headed down the long hallway that we know and love on our way to stamps. See you soon. Anatomy of journaling. I finally got the door. So did you know that at my 11th annual Anatomy of Sound, Carol Winsense used this hallway to skip and jump and dance with a student? It was so fun. We loved it. And this is going to be my favorite thing ever.
The exact job that requires all your interests will be there, or you'll figure out the way how it all evolves. At least that's how it was for me. I just threw everything onto the stage. Anyway, back to the video.
So, do you see? Anatomy of Sound. It's all about food. Right, Laura?
Seriously, it really is.
Once upon a time, I picked up the flute, and the rest is history. Good morning. Good morning. Mary, are we going to yoga? Are we going to yoga, Mary? Maybe. Good morning. Happy day.
Day
Three. And we're headed into the Music for Flute and Electronics class. And listen to this from Meryl. Hi guys, come with me. We're going to Viviana's recital. It's gonna be awesome. Bon appetit, everybody! Bon appetit! Anatomy of Sound holds a lot of profundity.
Yeah, now put your finger midway between the corner and the middle. Oh yeah, let's buzz a Beatles song. You ready? Yellow Submarine? Okay, now he gets to play the very beginning of the piece again.